Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and also make sure to turn on your post notifications so you will be notified anytime I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some 3D nail art, as you all can see from the thumbnail and the title of this video. So this nail set right here is my ornament nail design. I'll link to that video in the cards. So I am going to be removing the rhinestones from this nail because I am going to be doing my 3D Santa Claus nail on this nail. So this is part 2 to the nail set. Part 1 is this ornament nail that you see here. And the reason why I split it up is because I wasn't sure that I could actually do a 3D Santa Claus nail with polygel. So I decided to do the ornament nail first because it was the easiest to do, and if I failed at the Santa Claus nail, I still had a nail set to post. So that is why I did part 1 and part 2 of this same nail set, because I really wasn't confident enough that I could really do a 3D Santa Claus nail, and I think it turned out really good. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, and also give me some pointers as well. Now I'm using my sanding band to remove the rest of the nail design. Then I wiped off the excess dust off camera and applied my gel top coat and cured that for 30 seconds. So for my 3D Santa Claus nail, the first polygel I'm going to be using is called a Siesta. So I just placed a bead of the Siesta polygel on the nail and formed it into a circle, a more of an oblong circle. So I'm just forming that to create the face for my Santa Claus nail. I had to redo this nail off camera because it wasn't centerized as much as I would like, so I did it off camera and then I cured for 30 seconds. However, I'm only going to be showing myself doing this once, so yeah, I'm just going to be doing that and then I cured for 30 seconds. Now I am going to be using my Makartt Red Polygel. So I placed some on a nail palette. Then I'm using my dotting tool to pick up the white polygel and place it on the face of my 3D Santa Claus nail. I wanted it to do the eyes of the Santa Claus nail with this white polygel, but it wasn't working out for me because the eyes weren't coming out same size. One was looking bigger than the other and I really didn't like that. So I decided to not use polygel for the eyes. So I decided to use my Nail Addict white gel polish to do the eyes of the Santa Claus nail. So I placed some of the gel polish on my nail palette and then I used my dotting tool to apply the eyes to the Santa Claus nail, and then I flash cured that with my mini flashlight for 5 to 10 seconds. Now I am going to be using the white polygel for the beard of my Santa Claus nail. So I just placed a large bead of the white polygel and formed it into a beard. Then I am just going to be creating some indents in the beard to make it look a little more realistic. So I'm just going to be creating the indents. However, when creating the indents, if you stay too long to cure it, the indents will go away and it would be like almost smooth. So I learned that while I was doing the nail because I had to continuously keep making indents in the beard because after a while it kept going away and becoming smooth. I also used my 3D brush to create some indents in the nail. So as I've said before, the longer I waited to cure the nail, the less indents it had in the beard. So right here I am using my orange wood stick to achieve some more indents in the nail, and quickly I decided to cure that because I couldn't do this anymore. I needed to cure it so that the indents can stay in the nail so that the beard looks a little more realistic. Now I am going to be using my Siesta Polygel, so I just placed a bead of the Siesta Polygel on my palette, and then I am using my dotting tool to pick up some of the Siesta Polygel and place it on the face of my 3D Santa Claus to create the nose of the Santa Claus. So my first attempt for the nose was a failure, so I had to redo this. I think I didn't apply enough of the Siesta Polygel to the Santa Claus nail, that's why it failed. So the second time around should be the charm. Then I'm using my 3D brush to create a more rounded nose so that it looks more like a nose. And I also applied a mustache to the Santa Claus nail as well. I did it off camera because I really wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, and I think it turned out really good, that's why I kept it in. So now I am applying some more of the white polygel to the beard area to create more of a realistic beard. So I am doing that right now, and then I cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm using the white polygel that I have on my nail palette because I'm going to be doing the Santa Claus hat right now. So I'm just using this white polygel to create the fluff for the Santa Claus hat. So I'm just going to be creating the band. So I just place that at the top of the Santa Claus head to create the band for the Santa Claus hat. And I also try to create some indents in this nail. I don't want this to be neat. This needs to have some indents and look like a Santa Claus hat. But yeah, so I'm just doing that, and when I'm satisfied with how it looks, I cured that for 30 seconds. Now I'm just going to be using this red polygel from Makartt for the hat of the Santa Claus nail. So I'm just going to be placing that on the top of the Santa Claus nail. And then I formed it into a Christmas hat. And then I cured for 30 seconds. Next, I am using some of the white polygel for the pom-pom at the end of the hat. So I just placed a bead of that, and then I am just forming it into a circle and then I cured that for 30 seconds. I did another layer of that off camera because I felt like that layer was a bit too thin, so I wanted to apply another layer so that it looked a little more like fluffy or something, I don't know, and I cured that for 30 seconds. So this is how it looks so far, and I think it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Now I am using my Makartt black gel polish, so I place some on my nail palette. Now I am using my dotting tool to pick up some of the gel polish to place it on the eyes of the Santa Claus nail. Then I flash cured that for 5 to 10 seconds. Now I am using my dotting tool to pick up some of the white gel polish to place that on the eyes as well, and flash curing that for 5 to 10 seconds. Now I'm using my Madame Glam Velvet Matte top coat, and I'm going to be top coating the Santa Claus. However, the ring nail is going to stay glossy. It's just the Santa Claus is going to be matte because I think it looks really good matte. So I cured that for 30 seconds, and this is how it looks. Now I am using my glossy top coat to top coat the ring nail, and then I cured that for 30 seconds. So I decided to make the red area of the Santa Claus nail glossy. So I'm just going to be top coating the red area only, and then I cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm just going to be applying some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So I did get some of the white gel polish on the pinky nail, so off camera I had to file off the top coat from the pinky nail and then reapply some more top coat. So this is the finished look, guys. This is my 3D Santa Claus nail and I think it turned out amazing. I was really surprised at how good it turned out. So let me know what you guys think about this nail set in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.